Hello everyone, welcome to another episode Fun with Vintage Hi-Fi. Today I have for you yet another Technics, yet another turntable, but I have for you something little different. I'm not sure if you guys came across this one or not. Maybe you did, maybe you came across the similar ones. I never came across this one. This one is the first time came to my possession. What it is a Technics direct drive automatic turntable system SL-6. You might think, okay, another smaller size automatic direct drive turntable. We've seen quite a vast of them in those MIDI, similar one in the MIDI sets of Technics, the X series. Well, I never came across kind of almost full size, but not, is the size of the record, actual vinyl. What it is, basically, as you can see, it does has a cover. A cover has to be closed, otherwise it doesn't play. So let me open for you to see, so you guys can see it, what it is. I want to see for you guys to show you basically what it is. And there we go, that's the stylus integrated and tone arm integrated together with the mechanism which is in the cover. Everything here is integrated. So as you can see, stylus here and pickup arm. So how does it work to have the something like that? Basically it does has recognition to the record, which track is where and how it does it, I'm not sure. Has a few adjustments, so sensor, low, medium, high, and on this side has speed automatic 45 and 33. Not sure how the automatic works, but we can find out. So let me put it down a little bit, because that's for another minute. Here at front, what we have here, a very interesting system, because obviously has the stop, play, start, play, stop, queuing, and has the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 buttons for the tracks on actual record, like a precursor of CD player. I would say the technology of choosing the songs on the record amazes me. How they does it. There must be some kind of sensor which recognize the track is where, but how it does it we're gonna get into in a minute. So I put it 33 because it's a 33 record. So what you do, you close, and then you might play from the beginning to the end. You just hit the start, record starts spinning, and you know the tone arm goes, let's just closely so you guys maybe can see, it goes there, and the arm travels straight away to the beginning and goes down. I'm not sure if you can see the stylus through it, yeah, and literally there we go, it plays. Quite cool. That's some rock and roll music just to make it fun. So everything might be thinking, okay, very simple, you know, nothing difficult. But also what it does have here, let's just put the volume down, has up front has the repeat button. If we do this, it will go to the end and basically start from the beginning. But we've seen that on the other record players I presented to you guys. So this one is not surprised, as is direct drive and quite a lot of electronics in it. So that's basically nothing. So let's stop. Obviously goes everything. The arm goes back, the record stops. Well, let's try what we have here. We can program up to 10 songs there. So let's have a look. I'm gonna try to figure out how many songs are on this little record. So we have on side 1 we have a 10 songs. So we can program number 10, and then we can program number 2, and that's how it's played. Number 2, number 10, doesn't go vice versa. So it has to be number 2, but the arm, I'm not sure if you guys realize, travels to the end of the record to kind of reads the record, reads how many of them. We can hit the play, then the arm goes to second song straight away. It goes kind of like on the end of the previous song. I don't know why is this. If this is a sort of set that it goes always to the end of, kind of like catch the last bit, last couple of few seconds of the previous song, and then starts. Maybe that's the how it's supposed to be programmed. I'm not sure 100%, so I cannot say, but it works. It works. Basically, it goes to. So as you see, I just press play. It goes to number 2. Number 2 is flashing now. Didn't recognize number 10. That's interesting, because I pressed number 10, so it's supposed to. Maybe didn't recognize that it's a 10 song. Is it 10 songs there? Yes, it is. So interesting what actually happened. But anyway, it does has repeat, so you can press the repeat anytime you want to just start it. So let's press the repeat. We're gonna see it, what's gonna happen after the song. I'm not sure if you guys hear it. Yeah, the music is playing. So let's I want to just see it for you guys to see if actually can work. So it's small size, as you can see, has the little scale on the top. Let me just show you for you guys. Yeah, there is a scale with a pointer. Actually shows you where in the record actually is the stylus with the arm. So that's interesting. That's how it is similar to the grooves, but those ones don't correspond 100% with the songs. So maybe it needs a kind of adjustment. I'm not 100% sure, but that's how it is. That's how it works. It does the that's how it works. So quite cool. If you want an automatic turntable in your possession, I recommend this one. I'm not a big fan of the automatic ones like that, because it loses a little bit. But it's a modern, if you just want to slap your record, vinyl record on it, and there are some songs on the record you might don't like it, you can just program it on the front. Say number 1, 2, 3, skip the 4 one, you press 5, 6, 7, skip the 8, put the 9, and that's what it's gonna do. That's literally gonna do. As you see, I press repeat, so when they finish, it goes again to the start of that song, and it's playing again. So it's repeating. Probably it's gonna play until over and over. So let's switch this off, the repeat, and again it starts the song number 2. So let's stop and let's see it if we can program it number 3, number 4, and hit start. So what's gonna happen? It reads, because it previously the record wasn't changed. So as you see, it goes, and like I said before, it goes to the little end of the previous song. Or maybe we can do the completely different, because it's the same song. So I press stop. Here we go. That's it. It's over. So let's put number 5 and number 7. Let's try this. Let's see what's happened then. As you can see, the arm travels all the way, recognizing number 5, and obviously it's catching the remaining. Maybe it's just need a little bit of adjustment, but you can hear this is not the end of the song corresponding to the line. So I'm not sure how you can And it does, it goes, plays song number 5, but I want you guys to see it how it is, how they plays remaining ones. So obviously when you press stop, it cancels everything. You can press queuing, so it lifts the arm. That's it, because at the moment it's on a playing mode. Also, I found a little bit difficult to clean the record. So because obviously it has cover has to be closed when you use it, so you cannot even use it to spin the record to basically clean it with your brush, with your record brush. So that's a little bit downside for me, because you know, some you can just slightly put the play and you just slightly brush lovely down, or you can spin the record if it's possible and just brush it off. With this one, there is no sides to actually even move, because this record is directly to the end of the plate. I will show you in a second when this song finish. So it's a bit not necessary all thought through, but you know, I presume when you cover there is no much, the dust doesn't go. It has some plus downside, obviously. As you can see, you see only quarter of the record, so it's typical modern thing. You just close it, work, let it go and forget, like basically plug and play, program and forget. So it's gonna do what it's gonna do. So I think it's all right, you know, on the way. Basically you do what you do, and you know, and enjoy, just literally enjoy what is being played. So I'm hoping that's gonna finish soon, just to see, so you can guys see number 5. Yeah, hopefully it's gonna just jump to number 7 in a second. Yeah, and you see, as you realize, it cuts the end of the song, so I think it needs the kind of, oh, there we go, and it goes again. So maybe it needs a little bit of adjustment, little bit of, and it does this on all of the records I tested. And there we go, jump to number 7. Thank you very much. And then it plays. So obviously you cannot add it. That's the downside. I don't like it that you cannot add it. You can repeat it. So you can repeat there. Well, enough of this. So basically you can, during the playing, like any record playing, you can lift the arm. You can put the arm back to play. So we will do, as you see. You can hit the stop on that. Yeah, should stop, or we have to kind of, because it's still flashing. Yeah, there we go, it plays. So, and starts again. That's a clever thing. You can, by pressing the button, it goes back there. But when you press stop, it stops, it goes back, and finish, and the record has been played. So let me show you quickly the what I mean by unable to brush it. As you can see, there's no way to kind of move the record to kind of start it and basically play it. I'm not sure if any of you, yeah, it doesn't work on the start, so you cannot move it. I don't want to touch it on the sides, so you would have to kind of move it from the middle a little bit to gently brush off the record. I'm not sure 100% if that's the good thing for this record to do that, but basically that's how it works. So let's try the automatic speed. Put on auto. Let's see, this one's supposed to be a 33 speed. So if I put on auto, what's gonna happen? Let's hit play. It goes. Is it gonna recognize? How it's gonna work? Let's see. Let's see. Huh. Huh. It goes automatically to to 33. That's quite clever. Interesting. I don't have a record which plays 45. So let's stop. So basically that's how it works. So let's try a different thing. So let's switch it to 45. Let's provisionally hit it. Obviously it goes much faster. So it's the wrong speed for it. But I want to show you guys something. If it's remembering or it's doing automatic. Oh, there we go. Obviously it's too fast. So let's hit stop. Let's not muck about. So let's close there. And let's put on auto. See what's gonna happen now. If it's recognizing or is playing previous. No, actually it recognized that is 33. That's quite clever. How it does, I'm not sure, maybe it's the weight of the of thickness of the record. Because actually, as you see, I put on auto and it recognized. So that's quite clever. So stop, but I want to just see if, because it has 10. So let's press 10 and hit play. If it's gonna actually play the number 10, I just want to see it, guys, because obviously record has 10. No, it doesn't recognize number 10. That's interesting, but it probably is gonna recognize number 9. Let's do this. Das has number 10. There we go. Number 9 is being recognized. Maybe it doesn't have it, because there we go. And it goes to the end, previous. And there we go. And it plays number 9 now. That's quite cool. I kind of like it. It's like, with the beginning, so you kind of, there we go, and it plays number 9. Anyway, that's how it is. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this little presentation of lovely Technics record player SL-6 automatic direct drive turntable. This one is pretty in a good condition, has a few scratches, but you cannot escape the with the age and everything and the treatment, how the record player has been treated. If you enjoy it, the little presentation gives you at least idea what it is, how it works. If you've never seen it and you're coming across, hit the video on YouTube and straight away you know what you're actually up to, what to expect. Just throw the like button, and if you first time across my channel, hit the subscribe button. I can always bring in something new, as you very often I'm throwing some short clips on it, so you'll be up to date. Let's see what we can come up with next time. Thanks you guys for watching.